What's up everyone, today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Maya from Fortnite. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow through my tutorial with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayons. I'm gonna begin with drawing her hair, so I'm gonna take a point in the middle on top of her head and draw a curved line diagonally to the right and down, and then I'm gonna make a turn and make that straighter downwards, and then I'm gonna go all the way to the tip of the hair and make a sharp turn back up on the right side right there, and slightly go outwards as you go to the upper point right there, and then I'm gonna extend it and turn it inwards to the center of the head, and then make a turn down at the center, and then I'm gonna make a turn to the left with the semicircle line, and then go down and slightly outwards, and then back in to the side of the cheek. For the inner line of the left side of the hair, I'm going to draw from the center point here a curved line to the side and to that point right there. And then for her left side of her face, I'm going to draw a curved line from this point down, and then I'm going to turn that in to the center at the bottom part of the face there, and then I'm gonna make a turn to the side and up to the right. Now for her neck, below her face on the left side, I'm gonna draw a curved line down and then to the side. And then I'm going to take this point right here and draw a curved line out to the shoulder, and then down at the side, and then back out to the elbow point right there. And then I'm going to go back to the right side and draw the shoulder on that side, turn it down and out to the elbow. Then I'm gonna make a semicircle outwards and then back to down to the wrist. For the inner line of the arm, I'm gonna take this point right here and draw a line following the direction of the outer line. Then I'm gonna go out at the elbow point here as well and down. Now for her gloves, I'm gonna draw across a curved line above the wrist and a line on both sides, and then another curved line around the wrist. And then for her hands, we're gonna draw a curved line down from this side, and then I'm gonna make a semicircle turn and turn it upwards on that side. And then for the other finger, I'm gonna draw a curved line outwards and then up to the side, and then I'm gonna repeat that for a few times. And at the side of the hand, I'm gonna turn it up to the wrist, and then around the thumb here, I'm gonna draw two short lines. Now going back to the side of her shirt here, I'm gonna take this point here and draw a curved line down and outwards, and then back in, and then I'm gonna make a turn down and then back out around the waist. And then on the right side, I'm gonna take this point here draw a curved line to the waist in and then back out right there. And then around here, the hand, the arms, I'm gonna draw a curved line across, and around the shoulder from the armpit point here, I'm gonna draw a curved line up to the hair. And we're gonna do the same for the left arm right there. And at the collar, I'm gonna draw a semicircle line around the neck and another one below that. Now going back to the face, I'm gonna draw her eye. So her eye is somewhat rectangular in shape, especially on the outer side. So I'm gonna draw a curved line for the top part of her eye, and then on the lower part, on the outer side here, I'm gonna draw a rectangular shape at the corner. And then for the inner line, we're gonna make a diagonal line on the top corner of the inner eye right there, and it gives a sharp kind of effect to the inner corner of her eye. And then inside, I'm gonna draw a circle for her pupil and a small circle on the top, and in the middle I'm gonna add a black circle. And then for her eyebrow, I'm gonna draw a cross on top of the eye, a curved line, and with the inner corner slightly thicker like that. And then we're gonna copy the whole thing on the right side here. And for her nose, I'm gonna take this point from the middle on the left and draw a curved line to the center right there. And then I'm gonna make a turn straight down and make another turn right there at the tip, and then on the sides I'm gonna add a short curved line right there. And then for her mouth, I'm gonna draw across the curved line, and for the upper lips, I'm gonna add two curved lines right there, and a curved line on the bottom right there. And then for her hair, I'm gonna add a few detail lines with the curved line across the side there, and on top here as well at the side. And then on the right, I'm gonna take this point and draw a curved line across the face and turn it out, and then back down at the side. And then I'm gonna add some more details at this section here with curved line coming down, basically following the outer main shape of the hair that we've drawn earlier. Now we're gonna draw some curved line randomly across every section of the hair. And then at the lower right side of the hair, I'm gonna make a strand of hair coming out with a curved line, and then I'm gonna make a sharp turn back in right there. Now I'm going to draw her belt, so we're gonna take that point below the waist. Wait, I'm gonna just extend the line on the right side here to this point, and then on the left I'm gonna extend it all the way up to the knee, and we're gonna flare it out below the waist and going back in as you reach the knee pad. Now the belt, we're gonna draw across a curved line right there, and another one below that. This time it's closer to the curved line, and another one slightly further away, and another one below that. And on the right side of her belt there, I'm gonna draw a rectangular shape where she puts her weapons, I guess. So a rectangular shape at this corner right here, and then on the left side of the points of the edges of the rectangle, I'm gonna add a short line diagonally to the left, and then I'm gonna connect those points again with lines across. And then in the middle of the pants, I'm gonna draw a line across right there, and then I'm gonna draw a curved line down for the inner line of the pants, and a curved line down from this side right here to the knee pad. And below that, I'm gonna draw a curved line down for the inner line of the pants on the right, and another one for the outer line of the pants on the right. So from the inner line here, I'm gonna draw a strap to this rectangular shape right there, and I'm gonna break it halfway through, and then continue that right there, and another line below that, and another line below that, and one last line. And then on the left side, I'm gonna draw across a curved line as well, and another one below that. And then above, in the middle of this line here, I'm gonna draw a curved line all the way to that point right there. And then I'm gonna draw another one at the side. And then on the right side, we're gonna draw another line as well to that same line. And below that line across, I'm gonna draw a curved line from the left to the right, like that. And going down, I'm gonna draw her knee pad here. So we're gonna draw a rectangular shape, but on the left side we're gonna leave it open. So we're gonna make something like that, rectangular shape with 3 sides, and on the left side I'm gonna draw a diagonal line to the center, out, and then back in at the lower point. So we're gonna copy that line on this side as well, and in the middle I'm gonna draw across a line. So on the left side we're gonna draw the same thing right there, and then I'm gonna continue the line of the pants. So I'm gonna make a diagonal line down on the right to the boots, and the outer line we're gonna make it straight to the boots. And at the boots, I'm on the top of the boots, I'm gonna draw a curved line across. And then at the side, I'm gonna make a semicircle turn and turn it down. And then I'm gonna make extended line all the way to the ankle point. And then make a turn to the front of the boots and extend it with a curved line. And at the front tip of the boots, I'm gonna draw a semicircle line to the base, and at the back I'm gonna draw a curved line all the way to the heels, and then I'm gonna draw across a curved line from the left point here to the right, and then I'm gonna make a turn slightly diagonally to the back with a curved line. And for the base of the boots, I'm gonna draw a short line at this side and another one at the heels. So we're gonna trace the same line across to the back again. Now for the shoe tie, I'm gonna draw a cross shape right there, and we're gonna repeat that throughout that section right there. All the way to this point, and in between of those cross tie, I'm gonna draw a line down, and at the bottom and on the right as well, and at the bottom point here we're gonna make a turn to the side and down. Now we're gonna do the same thing on the left side as well. And then going back to the knee pad, I'm gonna add a curved line at the bottom and on top of the knee pads. And then above the knee pad on the left side, I'm gonna draw another curved line right there across and another one below that. And then for her hand on the left, we're gonna draw the same thing for the same as the right hand right there. And on her shoulder, I'm gonna add a rectangular shape for the badge right there. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and find my videos helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to let me know of your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below.